guys, welcome back on my channel. This video will be different than a makeup tutorial. I will review some magnetic lashes in this tutorial. Magnetic lashes? Yes, magnetic lashes. And this is how the packaging looks like, and they are for the end of my eyelid. I have a glitter background and came in 4 pieces, 2 for each side. They came across the internet when I was searching for some new lashes and I was like, I need to try this. I have ordered a pair, so let's try this. As you can see, I have nothing on my eyelashes and I'm gonna use different ways to apply the lashes. You have 2 pieces, one with the magnetic piece underneath it and one on top of it. This with the magnetic underneath needs to be placed on your lash line and the other one underneath it to connect both. And as you can see, the 2 pieces stick together. And this is how the lash looks like. They have a transparent lash line and the magnetic piece in the middle. I'm applying my first piece on my natural lash line and I don't have used any glue or something. I'm pushing my eyelid up to apply the second piece. The eyelashes came out when you pull them. I'm applying the piece in the middle and the other one at the end, but there is no result. I'm not happy with these lashes. They don't work for me because they are not staying in place. The magnetic piece and the lash is strong, but I'll not buy them again. So thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe.